In today's bonus video, I'm going to show you how to elevate your personal style this fall. We're going to go through classic autumn outfits for a busy mom or busy grandma. These outfits are super versatile and can be easily mixed and matched to suit different occasions and different weather conditions. Wearing jeans in the fall is popular for several different reasons: versatility, comfort, durability, and style. This first one's one of my favorites. I think she looks absolutely adorable. She's just got her comfortable casual jeans on. She has then paired it with one of those lightweight denim shirts. She's done the front tuck. She has her long slouchy bag, and then she has her sandals on. Super cute, super relaxed. She looks great. Okay, this, another really relaxed look. She's got her jeans paired with that oversized turtleneck. She's got the turtleneck over a button-down shirt. She's got that little bit of a half tuck. She's cuffed her jeans. She's paired it with the really comfortable sandals, and then she's got a cute little baseball cap on. Doesn't she look great? Love that. This is one of my favorites. Super comfortable pair of jeans she's got on. She's paired it with a sweatshirt. She's done that little bit of that half tuck, and then she's got those cute little vases. Love the color on those. That's darling. All right, up next is anything with a blazer. Fall weather can be unpredictable, and adding a blazer can protect you from getting chilly, but it will also polish anything that you pair it with. I love this one. She has a comfortable pair of trousers on. She has her tank top tucked in. She's belted it. She's added that beautiful oversized blazer. She's got her tennis shoes on. I think she looks fabulous. Super comfortable, super relaxed, but very polished. Okay, this one, she has, looks like some black jeans. She has then added a white t-shirt underneath. She's got the blazer on top. She's added that adorable black and white sneaker. And then she has that fabulous tote bag and her sunglasses, and she looks great. Love this one. She has her comfortable pair of jeans on. She has, it looks like a black t-shirt underneath. She's then topped it off with a blazer and then topped it off with a fabulous sweater over her shoulders. She's got her white sneakers, the brown leather tote bag, and the black sunglasses. So polished and so put together, but so comfortable. All right, up next, a casual satin skirt outfit is a fantastic choice for fall. The glossy texture of the satin adds a touch of elegance to your casual yet sophisticated outfit. Okay, this one is fabulous. I absolutely love it. She's got that beautiful satin skirt. She's got a t-shirt. She's then added that beautiful camel colored sweater with the black stripes. She has her cap toe ballet flat. She has a cream colored bag. She's got her sunglasses. She's got her jewelry. She looks fantastic. I love it. Okay, this one is absolutely adorable as well. She's got a blue satin skirt on. She's got a white cami or tank top underneath. She's got it tucked in. She's belted it. She's added that adorable cropped white jacket to it. She then has her white sneakers. She's got her leather bag. She's got her jewelry, and she looks fabulous. Super casual, yet super sophisticated. Okay, this one's adorable too. She has this darling pink satin skirt on. She's paired it with a light grayish blue sweater. She's then paired it with her adorable, comfortable sneakers, and she just looks darling. I love it. If you haven't already seen it, yesterday's video was very different than anything I've ever done before. We were talking about how God is not done with us yet, and we're still a work in progress. So if you haven't had a chance to go see that video, go check it out. Okay, up next, layering a sweater is a perfect addition to a casual fall outfit, adding texture, interest, and warmth when needed. All right, this is super cute. She has got a wide leg, comfortable pant on. She has then paired it with a black tank top. She's got her black bag. She has her white sneakers on. She's then added that oatmeal sweater over her shoulders. She looks super comfortable, super relaxed, but put together. Love it. Okay, this one is super cute and comfortable. She has a comfortable pair of loose black pants on. She has then added the t-shirt. She's put that sweater vest over the top of it. She's paired it with her sneakers. She's got a shoulder bag, her sunglasses. She looks great. Okay, this one's darling too. She has the lighter denim jeans. She's got a white button-down shirt. She's then added the cream / oatmeal colored sweater over her shoulders. She's got the brown leather bag, her sunglasses, her jewelry. She looks great. Okay, again, she has the skinny jeans on. She's then added the blue and white striped button-down shirt. She's then paired it with the gray duster sweater, and then she has her tote bag and her loafers, and it just looks great on her. Love that. Sometimes we have no choice but to wear leggings outside of the house out of pure desperation. So I'm at least going to show you some cute ways that you can style these that will kind of elevate the leggings a little bit. So you're super comfortable, but a little more elevated. The outfits I'm going to show you are super versatile and can be mixed and matched and changed to go with your personal style. Okay, these are like a faux leather leggings kind of thing. She has then paired it with that oversized camel colored sweater. It looks great on her. She's thrown on her jewelry to make sure she kind of elevates it a little bit. She's got those cute little white slip-on sneakers, her sunglasses, her hair looks great. She looks great. Okay, this one's lovely as well. These, again, they appear to be that faux leather legging. She's paired it with a black tank top. She's then added that beautiful burgundy red duster sweater over the top. She's got that beautiful burgundy bag. She's got her jewelry on. Her hair looks fabulous. She just looks great. It's beautiful on her. Okay, this one's super cute. She has her leggings. She's got a white t-shirt. She's then added the gray hooded sweatshirt. She's then added the cute little moto jacket, her tennis shoes, and the dog is adorable. So shout out to the dog. How cute is she? This one's super comfortable. She's got her black leggings, a blue and white striped button-down shirt. She's got her crossbody bag on. She's then added the comfortable sneaker, her sunglasses, and she just looks great. All right, up next would be an oversized sweater. Styling an oversized sweater in the fall can be cozy, chic, and comfortable. All right, this one. She has, again, the skinny pants on. She's then paired it with that fabulous dark brownish gray oversized turtleneck. She's got that beautiful large tote bag, her ballet flat, her sunglasses. She looks wonderful. All right, this one. She has, again, the skinny pants on with a fabulous oversized beautiful gray turtleneck sweater. She's got the front tuck. She's belted it. She then has that beautiful camel coat over the top. She's got her comfortable tennis shoes on, and she's got a fabulous bag and her sunglasses. She looks wonderful. Okay, this one's super cute. She has got her faux leather pants. She's then added that blue and white striped or black and white striped button-down shirt. She's then paired it with that fabulous oversized gray sweater. She's got the tote bag, her loafers, her sunglasses. She looks wonderful. I know sometimes I add different things to our prayer list, and if you're involved in that, I really appreciate you being involved in it. Something I want to add to the prayer list is let's be praying for children all over the world. All children, really, but let's be praying specifically. There are children all over the world that have no idea that they are actually loved. They have no idea that they're relevant. They have no idea that they're special because there was nobody there to ever tell them how special they are. So let's be praying for these children. Let's be lifting them up in prayer all over the world, all over America. They're everywhere. Let's just pray that the Lord will bring somebody into their lives that'll make them feel special, make them feel loved, make them feel relevant. We need children to feel and know how important they truly are to all of us. So let's just be praying for those kids. Hello, I'm Michelle and welcome to my channel. In today's video, let me see my glasses. Dirty glasses at that, good grief. All right, let's start over. Don't need those on there. She's then added the white t-shirt. If you guys can hear my dog barking, I apologize. There must be a frog or something out there, but he's having fun. And that's all that matters. He's having fun. Okay. Gonna run with this is what we're gonna do. Hello, I'm Michelle and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to, what are we doing again? What are we doing again? Come on, cars, go by, go by, go by. I'm busy. I'm very busy. I'll have a job to do. Okay. All right, I think we're done. I think that's a wrap. We're done. Praise Jesus, we're done. On to the next. In today's video, we're going to go through fall trending accessories. So we're going to go through shoes, handbags, jewelry, belts, boots, gloves, scarves. We're going to go through it all. First thing we're going to talk about are Mary Jane's and T-strap shoes. These were all over the runway for fall fashion. This fabulous heeled silver and gold pair of Mary Jane's. She has got it paired with her jeans, and she's just got a shirt and a sweater on. Doesn't that look great? Love it. This little T-strap red shoe, isn't that a darling shoe? Love that. Okay, this is a fabulous block-heeled Mary Jane she has on with just a pair of jeans and a nice comfortable shirt. Love that look. All right, up next with the shoes would be metallics such as gold and silver, reds, animal prints, reptile embossed shoes. So something along the lines of snake or alligator, that type of vibe. Okay, this, a little red heel with the black pants and the red sweater. Again, I touched on that in my video last week of the trending colors for fall. Beautiful, the reds and blacks together. Love it. Okay, here's some lizard print kitten heel. Darling. She's got it paired with just her little cutoff jeans and a t-shirt. I love those. They're beautiful on her. Okay, love this. A reptile mule. She's just got it paired with her cutoff jeans. She's then got that long dramatic sweater on with it. Beautiful. Love that. Again, super casual and relaxed. She's got the gold Mary Jane with her jeans and a chunky green sweater on with that. Beautiful. Again, the green is trending this year. All right, up next would be riding boots and or tall boots. You're going to be seeing these in a variety of rich fall colors such as greens, burgundies, browns, golds, and of course blacks. Okay, this is lovely. She's got a rich brown colored pair of boots on. She's got it over her dark colored pants. She's then got the black high neck shirt on, and then she has paired that fabulous burgundy-ish brown blazer with it. Beautiful. Love that. So sophisticated. Hey, lovely riding boot. She's just got it paired with some black skinny pants, and then she's got her leather jacket on over it, and then that fabulous slouchy clutch bag. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, I'm loving this skirt. This is a nod to the 70s, and I am so here for it. I love this. I love this look. She has that beautiful cream colored turtleneck on. She's got it paired with that cognac colored leather skirt, a black boot, and a black bag. Isn't that lovely? All right, here's another lovely one. She's got that fabulous suede boot on. She has got it paired with that beautiful black coat and the gold buttons, and then a black shoulder bag. Isn't that lovely? Beautiful on her. I'm assuming she's got a skirt on under it. Love it. All right, up next would be wraps, capes, poncho style wraps, and then long dramatic scarves. Okay, this beautiful poncho style cape she has on. Beautiful piece. She has got it paired with just a button-up shirt. She's then got her skinny jeans on. She's paired it with that cute little animal print heel. She then has a black bag, her sunglasses, that chunky jewelry. She looks great. See how that lovely big chunky scarf really softens the look of that black leather jacket? Beautiful. Okay, here's that lovely dramatic scarf. She's got it paired with a beautiful long coat that matches the scarf. She then has a pair of, it looks like a super short skirt underneath. She's got her black gloves on and her cute little black loafers. Isn't that darling? Beautifully executed. I love that. Okay, this is a stunning cape. She's got her black gloves on. She has her black bag. Beautiful pieces together. Now we're going to quickly delve into printed satin scarves. All right, this one is lovely. It's not over the top. It's super relaxed. Got these lovely earthy tones to it. She has a white button-down shirt, and then she's paired another white button-up shirt over the top. She's then added that lovely scarf and her bag, and then her black jeans and the shoulder bag. Isn't that lovely? Isn't this beautiful? She's got this fabulous printed silk scarf. She's got it tied over her hair. She's got her sunglasses on. I love how the orange with a little bit of blue in there, and it matches with her lovely blue sweater. Isn't that gorgeous? Love it. Okay, this I love. She's super casual and relaxed. She's got her jeans on. She's then got a blazer on. She's added that lovely scarf to it. And then if you look closely, she also has added that little bit of animal print belt to it. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, this is an interesting way to wear it. She has got her gray trousers on. She's then got the off-the-shoulder shirt tucked in. She's belted it. She's got her beautiful jewelry on. She's got that fabulous crocodile embossed bag, and then she's tied that beautiful scarf around her neck, but she's tied it to where it ties in the back. Isn't that lovely? So dramatic, so pretty. All right, up next is going to be jewelry. They're really starting to step towards statement pieces, bolder, broader pieces. You're going to see a lot of long pendants. You're going to see a lot of large cuff bracelets. You're going to see larger earrings. So they're really stepping away from the delicate jewelry. Okay, this beautiful large earring, lovely piece. And I will make sure that I have links below for items that are similar to all of these things for you. So you'll have like a bunch of things to choose from if you're actually looking for some of this stuff. So whether it be the scarves, belts, shoes, I will make sure there's links below for you guys so that you don't have to search so far for items. Okay, I do love this one. I think this is just gorgeous on her. It's bold, it stands out, but it's still incredibly sophisticated and refined. I love that. You can't go wrong with a hoop. I think hoops are absolutely beautiful. This isn't too terribly big, but it's definitely bold and it can stand on its own. Lovely. All right, up next, adding a little bit of drama with your belts. Whether it be the double belts, whether it be a belt with some kind of embellishment on it, or whether you're just dramatically belting a blazer or a coat or something like that. See this beautiful chain belt she's got on with her faux leather pants. She's then paired it with that fabulous shirt, and then she's got that beautiful silver shoe on with it. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, this one's super dramatic. She's just taken a normal belt and decided to use that as her belt for her coat. So she's got that beautiful wool gray coat. She's got black tights on, black shoes on, the black sweater, and then she's got the beautiful coat and then the black belt. Isn't that lovely? Hey, here's another beautiful dramatic way to do it. See how instead of actually putting pin through the hole in the belt, she has just adjusted a little bit and then wrapped it through. Isn't that lovely? Over the blazer with just a pair of jeans. Darling. All right, gloves are having a moment. Now this might be out of your comfort zone, but if you want to go ahead and step a little bit further out of your comfort zone, go ahead and look for a cognac color or a burgundy or a green and pair it with a black coat and it'll just be stunning. Okay, this, look at that cape style blazer. I'm seeing a lot of these as well. She's paired it with that beautiful cognac white and black bag, and then she's got the beautiful black gloves, and then she's even added a bracelet to it. Isn't that gorgeous? Hey, I love this one. She's got the black pants on. She's paired it with a plaid blazer. She's then added the riding boots. She's got her gloves, and then she has the black bag. Isn't that beautiful on her? That actually reminds me of Elizabeth Taylor. Isn't that beautiful? All right, she's got a beautiful mock neck sweater on. She has added some jewelry over that. She's then added this lovely oversized coat with it, and then she's got the beautiful gloves and the small bag and her sunglasses and then her chunky earrings, and she just looks gorgeous. All right, up next will be bags. The bags that I'm seeing most on the runway are large clutch bags and then slouchy shoulder bags. Okay, here's another clutch bag. It's got the cognac color and black to it. She's added it to a black sweater and blue jeans. Isn't that great? Okay, here's a lovely slouchy bag. It's got a little more structure to it, which I will say I kind of like them. I definitely like them better with a little more structure. I don't like them to be too slouchy. I just think it can take away from the elegance of the outfit. So I really like this one. She's got it paired with her jeans, a white t-shirt, a short pinstripe blazer. Isn't that darling? Here's another fabulous clutch bag. She's got it paired with the strapless army green satin top and a black either pants or skirt. Oof, here's a mess. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Okay. Doors closed. Air conditioner's on. All right, let's get this party started. Okay. Alrighty then. Shoes, handbags, jewelry, belts. With that fabulous... Okay, this is... It's weaved. It's weaved or... Blazer on. Alright. And bye-bye. I don't know, let's see if it went. It recorded well. If you made it this far into the video, do me a favor and leave me a heart in the comment section so I know who you are. If you like this video, do me a favor and give me a thumbs up. And if you really like this video, do me a favor and send it off to some of your lady friends so we can share our love for fashion and our love for God together. Do not forget that God loves you. Do not forget that I love you. God bless and bye-bye.